Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube video like and subscribe animation, kind of like what you see here in this guy's video. And I'll tell you right now, it's not going to be anywhere near as professional as what you see here. A lot of the professional shit you're going to have to spend your entire fucking life savings on, and I don't feel like doing that. I'm a cheap motherfucker. I'll just make a bootleg version for free. So to get started, go into canva.com and go to create a design. I just do 1920 by 1080 as default. So right here, click in the box, go to color, and you're going to want to change that to green. And this type of green will do just fine. And then you can go into your elements tab, and then you can go ahead and type in like and subscribe or whatever, find whatever image you want to use. I'm going to use this right here. And then what you're going to want to do, this is really important, is shrink it down and position it to wherever in your video you want it to appear. Because if you don't, and you try to position it while in your video editor, it can fuck up your video. It's not going to look right. So make sure you have it positioned exactly where you want it to show up in your video. And then from there, you're done. You can go ahead and hit download and then bring it into your video editor. I already have this ready. I have a design ready to go. I'm going to click and hold and drag that down here. And of course, that wants to fuck up. We're going to delete that. And then what you're going to want to do is click and make sure the marker is over it and go into your color tab. First thing you're going to want to do in here is right click in this grid and hit add alpha output. And then you'll see a little blue circle appear. Go to the little blue square, click, hold, and drag until that line meets the blue circle. From there, we're going to go and click on this dropper tool, and we'll click anywhere in this green area. Oh fuck, we fucked it up. God fucking damn it. Well, this isn't how it's supposed to go. No, I'm just fucking with you. To fix this, we just go right down here to the invert tool, and boom, it's fixed. We're all good. So you might notice a little bit of a green outline over the image here. We can get rid of that real quick. Just go into the in-out ratio here on the bottom. Take that all the way to -100, and then go to blur radius, and we'll move that up to about 5, and you'll see that the green is almost entirely gone. So from there, we're pretty much done. So if you go back to the video and play it, you'll see that the subscribe button pops up and nothing else is there. What I'm going to do is go to the effects library, and I'm going to add a dissolve effect to it. And I'll do it on both the start and finish of the clip. Go back and play, and as you'll see, it'll fade in, and then it will fade out. So yeah, that's really about it. If you're not looking to spend an assload of money on stock animations for YouTube, I think this is a good way to do it. You will never see me put anything like this in any of my videos because I personally do not give a fuck. I'm not going to sit there and ask people to like and subscribe to my shit. I just don't feel the need to. People will like and subscribe my stuff if they like my content. I'm not going to sit there and try and shove that shit down their throat. But anyway, yeah. If you're looking to make a nice bootleg design like that, well, there you go. Hopefully this helped you guys out. Take it easy, everyone.